Welcome to Boson Buzz. I'm Monty Molecule. How many times have you fallen in love with a piece of clothing online, only for it to arrive and fit oddly? The sleeves are too long, the waist is just a bit off, the shoulders pinch. The ritual of ordering, trying on, and returning has become a frustrating part of modern life. It's wasteful, time-consuming, and it means we often settle for clothes that are good enough rather than perfect. What if you could have a digital twin of your body, an avatar so precise that any garment could be tailored to it before a single thread was cut? What if the fitting room came to you, and it was made of light? Today, we're tailoring the future of fashion, the flawless fit. This is the story of clothing that knows you, before you even know it. For centuries, clothing fit has been a game of averages. Sizes like small, medium, and large are based on rough measurements of thousands of people. But no one is exactly average. Tailoring is the gold standard, but it's slow, expensive, and requires a skilled person with a tape measure and pins. The first digital forays were basic. You entered your height and weight into a website, and it suggested a size. It was a start, but our bodies are complex, three-dimensional sculptures, not simple numbers. The problem was one of precision and capture. How to translate the unique curves, slopes, and proportions of a human body into a perfect digital blueprint, easily and from home. The breakthrough isn't just better measuring, it's creating a living model of you. The goal is to move beyond static sizes to dynamic, personalized patterns. Imagine if, instead of you trying to fit into clothes were designed from the ground up to fit you. This shifts the entire process from guessing to knowing. Think of it like this. Buying clothes off the rack is like trying to find a pre-cut key that happens to fit your unique lock. It might turn roughly or not at all. The flawless fit system is like taking a perfect impression of your lock and cutting a key specifically for it. The result is seamless, frictionless, and made just for you. So how does this digital tailor work? It begins in your own home, using a simple scanning device, which could be a dedicated booth, a smartphone app using advanced photogrammetry, or even a sensor in a smart mirror. You undergo a quick, fully clothed scan. In about 30 seconds, you stand or turn slowly as sensors or cameras capture you from every angle. This isn't a photograph. It's capturing millions of data points. The curve of your spine, the slope of your shoulders, the circumference of your calf at its widest point. This cloud of points is then assembled by software into a hyper-accurate 3D avatar. This is your body double. It's not a generic mannequin. It's a moving, breathing digital copy that knows your exact proportions down to the millimeter. But a static scan isn't enough. Great clothing fits in motion. The next step is dynamic capture. The system might ask you to perform a few simple movements, raising your arms, taking a step, bending at the waist. This captures how your body changes with motion, where fabric needs to stretch, where it needs to remain stable. Your avatar now understands not just your shape, but your kinematics, how you move within that shape. With this perfect digital twin, the magic of flawless fit becomes possible. When you shop online, you're not browsing static photos. You're browsing garments that exist as digital patterns. With a click, you can try on any item. The software expertly drapes the digital fabric over your personal avatar, simulating physics. You can see how the dress flows when you twirl, how the jacket pulls across your back when you reach forward, how the trousers break at the ankle. You see the fit from every angle, in motion, before a single piece of fabric is cut. When you find the perfect virtual item and place your order, the data is sent directly to a manufacturing system. Traditional mass production cutting machines, which stack hundreds of layers of fabric, are replaced by agile, single-ply cutters. Your unique pattern, generated by adjusting the brand's base design to match your avatar's exact measurements, is sent to the machine. It cuts one garment just for you, with minimal waste. The garment is then assembled, often with a degree of automation guided by your unique pattern. The result arrives at your door not as a hopeful guess, but as a guaranteed fit. It feels like it was made for you because it was. The impact reshapes the entire industry. The environmental toll of returns, shipping, packaging, and often landfill for unsellable returned items plummets. Brands save billions, and customers save time and frustration. It also opens the door for true personalization beyond size, suggesting styles that complement your body shape, allowing you to tweak sleeve length or neckline on standard designs, or even creating entirely unique pieces from scratch. Looking ahead, your body double could become a lifelong companion. It updates subtly as you age, change fitness routines, or have different needs. It could integrate with health data to recommend supportive clothing or adaptive wear. In virtual and augmented reality, your flawless avatar becomes your digital identity, trying on clothes in virtual stores or being fitted for a spacesuit in a simulation. We are moving towards a world where clothing is a second skin, perfectly molded to the individual, where the concepts of off-the-rack and ill-fitting become obsolete. It democratizes the luxury of bespoke tailoring, offering everyone the confidence and comfort of clothes that feel like they were born to wear them. From frustrating returns to guaranteed grace, the Flawless Fit weaves our unique shapes directly into the fabric of fashion, proving that the best of style isn't about adapting to clothes, but about clothes adapting flawlessly to us. If you'd like to see a future that fits you perfectly, please give us a like and subscribe to Boson Buzz. Until next time, have a safe and curious week.